5. Best nature destination around Southeast Asia. Number 5. Langkawi, Malaysia. Malaysia's best-known holiday destination, Langkawi is an archipelago of 99 islands in the Andaman Sea. The islands are a part of the state of Kedah, which is adjacent to the Thai border. By far the largest of the islands is the eponymous Pulau Langkawi with a population of about 65,000. The only other inhabited island being nearby Pulau Tuba. Fringed with long white beaches, and the jungle covered over the hills, the most popular beaches can be found on the west coast. It's easy to find why this destination, being Malaysia's most heavily promoted for tourists. Number 4. Koh Phi Phi, Thailand. Located in the southeastern coast of Phuket, Koh Phi Phi is known as one of the best tourist destinations in Thailand. The largest island is Koh Phi Phi Don, a popular vacation famed for its sun-soaked beaches. Beautiful limestone cliffs and laid-back atmosphere, Tan Sai Bay and Long Beach attract the most tourists. While secluded beaches like Phak Nam Bay offer a tranquil escape away from the crowds. It's also possible to hike up to Phi Phi Viewpoint, which boasts dramatic 360-degree views over the entire island. Number 3. Palawan, Philippines. With a place as beautiful as Palawan, it's difficult to not recognize it as the most beautiful island in the Philippines. With its gorgeous rock formations and clear aquamarine water, Palawan is a sure hit for every traveler. Don't miss the big and small lagoons, as these are the best tourist spot in El Nido, Palawan. It's off for kayaking, paddleboarding, or swimming in these lagoons while digesting its majestic views. Number 2. Bromo, Indonesia. This volcano, often surrounded by the smoke and a multicolored sky, has become of the iconic side of Indonesia. The volcano also shares the area with a vast desert. Other lush mountains and hills, sweeping flower fields, and some waterfalls. And watching the sunrise of Mount Bromo is unforgettable excursion. Number 1. Sapa, Vietnam. Sapa is the emerald green heaven in the world, located in the northern part of Vietnam. Sapa is known as the trekking mecca of the country. Cool weather, sprawling tiered rice paddies, hiking trails, and village culture are the highlights of a few days spent. Within Vietnam's Hoang Linh Son mountain range, spend a night in a local homestay for a truly authentic experience.